Good evening guys. Good evening. Sila ay nangatulog. Naghumpid. So sila ay 2 days na guys. Tomorrow they will have a iron. First iron. Ang nanay nila guys natulog sa There are 14 piglets. So cute their tails. So wiggles. Actually nag-aawayan sila sa didi nila.